Hello and welcome to Guide Glimpse. So if you are wondering how you can allow cookies on your Samsung phone, so this video is for you. So let's start. So in this video, I will teach you how you can enable cookies on Chrome in your Samsung phones. So here I have opened my Samsung phones and here you can see the screen, and on the screen you can see the option Chrome. You can install this app from your Play Store. I had already installed this app here. Unlike iPhone where you have to enable cookies to the settings, but here in Samsung you don't have to go through that process. You simply have to open your Chrome. Here after opening the Chrome, you can see the home page and you can see the three dots on the top corner. Simply click on these three dots. Here you can see the option setting, click on that. Now in setting you can see the option privacy and security, simply click on that. Now here you can see the option third-party cookies. This is what we are looking for. Simply click on that. Here you can see three different options. Samsung offers three different options where you can allow third-party cookies and where you can block third-party cookies in Indigo mode and where you can block all the third-party cookies no matter in which mode you are. So here I suggest you allowing all the cookies because all the websites work better when the cookies are allowed. So allow that, but here if for some reasons you want to block the cookies, here you can block the cookies in Indigo mode, and for that you can here also write the exception site, like if there's any site from which you don't want to take the access, you can enable cookie for that site, and for the other site you can block the cookies. And simply for blocking the third-party cookies, and here you can also write an exception site if you want to. And this was all about these three features. I personally suggest you choosing first one because all the browsing sites work best when the cookies are allowed. So that was all about allowing the cookies on your Samsung phones. If you find this video useful, please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.